Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for January 2026. Ayan, so this is a general reading. Maari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. And paalala lang, ito lang po yung aking account ha. Baka merong mag-message sa inyo or what na nagpapanggap na Mr. Queen PH. So, I will not message you or follow you to offer services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga scammers. Okay, let's begin. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, meron tayong information link. Nasa pinned post, nasa comment section. So, or i-message nyo ako. So, let's see. What's the energy for Gemini ngayong January 2026? For Gemini, January 2026, what's the message? Forgiveness. Oo, meron kayong patatawarin. Pwedeng ito yung pagpapatawad mo sa sarili mo, pagpapatawad mo sa mga naging bad decisions mo in the past, and also yung mga choices mo, yung mga naging actions mo, and even yung mga tao sa paligid mo na nanakit sa'yo, no? For you, mas gusto mo na magkaroon ka na ng peace of mind ngayong January, no? And, focus on healing. Ayan. You want to focus on healing yourself. Mas gusto mo ngayon ng peace of mind. Let's see what else pa. For Gemini, January 2026. For Gemini. Okay, potential. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maaring merong potential for a new opportunity, like a new beginning for you. Can be an idea na gusto mong simulan. Kasi ang butterfly, it symbolizes transformation, new beginnings. Kumbaga yung iba sa inyo nasimulan nyo na to. Oo. Pwedeng, natigilan lang for some reasons. And, ngayong January nyo siya itutuloy or gagawin. And some of you are going to explore your potentials. Potentials mo, ang ganda. So, you will discover your potentials, your, let's say, potential mo sa trabaho, sa career, sa business, or even connections, no? Potential relationships. And you will also experience success. So, meron ditong triumph, no? You will gain success. 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 is about stability. 4, 8, 12, 16. Yan, 16 is number 7. 7 is learning. So, yung iba sa inyo, itong mga mapagtatagumpayan nyo ay talagang pinag-aralan nyo, inalam nyo. Kumbaga, nanggaling kayo dun sa proseso na kailangan yung pagdaanan. Diba? Step by step. Hindi mo siya shortcut. Kumbaga, ginawa mo siya according sa proseso na kailangan mong pagdaanan. So, this can be a career path or relationship na hindi mo minadali. Let's see what else for Gemini ngayong January 2026. You have the Page of Wands. This is good news coming in. Merong communication, meron ding adventure, no? So, meron kang pwedeng mga short distance travels to, local travels, wherein you will be able to explore new places. Some of you naman, may explore ka na new opportunity na sa tingin mo meron talaga tong potential for you, like a potential for your career, for your business. Ayan. Some of you, pwedeng meron kayong i-check na property. Like, halimbawa, lupa or bahay ngayong January na nakikitaan mo ng potential na dito ka yayaman or meron kang vision for that space or for that place na maaring ito yung dito ka magsisimula na mangarap ulit. The 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups is about happiness. This is prosperity, contentment. Wow, ang ganda na energies for you. Gemini, ngayong January. Some of you, mas may time kayo sa family. Meron kayong mga events or mga pagsasama-sama, pagsasalo-salo with the family ngayong January. I also see here someone na a single parent or solo parent, no? Na maaring nung mga nakaraang taon, nahihirapan ka, nagsa-struggle ka in raising your kids on your own. Pwedeng financial struggle, pwede rin, yun nga, may mga sama ng loob ka. But some of you, open na kayo sa pagpapatawad. And alam mo na the more na nagpatawad ka, the more na mas magaan yung pakiramdam mo, the more na mas marami kang kayang gawin. Kasi wala nang pumipigil sa'yo, wala nang hold back sa'yo. So you will experience happiness even if kailangan mong manindigan para sa family mo, para sa mga anak mo na mag-isa lang. You have the Fool. So yung iba sa inyo rito ay meron kayong exciting new beginnings, no? May potential talaga. Okay? So for you, Gemini, you are going to explore your potentials ngayong January. Kayo ang nakakaalam kung ano ang inyong mga potential. Pwede kasi ang potential sa talento mo, sa galing mo, sa abilidad mo, talento mo sa trabaho, or meron kang you're into arts, music, ganyan. Public speaking. So magte-take ka ng risk. Ito naman ay well-calculated risk for you. Okay? Kumbaga, alam mo dapat yung pinapasok mo. And hindi ka rin masyadong tipong parang walang pakialam sa paligid mo. You will also think about your actions. Oh, you have the Tower. Okay. Uy, may tumalon. And the Four of Swords. Four of Swords is about rest. This is also recovery. Ito yung sinasabi kong padalos-dalos. Kasi the Tower is energy ng biglaan, no? Biglaang mga susubukan or gagawin. I mean, yes, we can do that. But, maaring meron ka rin kailangang isaalang-alang kung ready ka na ba. Oo, for that new beginning. Siyempre, halimbawa, kung magnenegosyo ka, naisip mo na, gusto ko magnegosyo ngayon, magnenegosyo ka na ba agad? 'Di ba? Hindi ka pa nakapag-ready, wala ka pang funds, wala ka pang sapat na kaalaman para patakbuhin 'yon, 'di ba? So, yung risk na ite-take mo, hindi naman siya minadali, no? Na tipong bahala na si Batman. And this is also a reminder for you na huwag kang magpadalos-dalos sa mga decision mo kasi pwedeng ikaw ay magka-problema eventually. Oo. Some of you will also release mga unhealthy habits, no? Meron din ditong enlightenment na alam mo na itong mga gawain na to ay hindi nakakabuti para sa'yo. So you have to let go of that. Let's see what else. Okay. You have Moon in Virgo. So Moon is your emotions, your foundation. The 6th house is yung health, no? Pwedeng meron kang aayusin sa kalusugan mo ngayong January 2026. You will put things in order. So pwedeng iba sa inyo magkakaroon kayo ng sistema, no, sa inyong mga gawain. Magkakaroon kayo ng routine. You want to have a healthy habit na magsisimula ngayong January. Ito yung sinasabi natin na #day 1. #day 1, hindi ka nakakain ng kanin. Or anything na goal mo na ma-achieve for 2026 na sisimulan mo ng January. You have the Moon in Leo in the 5th house. So, meron ditong mga admirers. Oo, maaring ikaw ay ma-involve sa mga taong may interest sa'yo. Syempre, we don't want naman na lahat sila ay maging involved ka. maging maingat lang din, no? Kasi, syempre, hindi naman lahat yan maganda yung intention. Oo. And then you have the moon in, puro moon to, oh, in Scorpio. Wow, this is a very powerful energy. Moon is about your emotions, your instincts, and the eighth house is like diving deeply. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong interest ngayong January na talagang i-explore nyo, no? Yung tipong, ay gusto ko tong matutunan, gusto kong gawin to. Kaya lang, prone lang to sa obsession. Okay? So, baka ma-obsess naman kayo. So, yun lang. Kailangan, sakto lang ba? Sakto lang. Huwag masyadong ma-obsess. You have Venus in Taurus in the second house. Venus is the planet of love. This is also money. Second house is your resources. So, yung iba sa inyo, another focus ninyo for January is magkaroon kayo ng pwedeng multiple source of income or pagkakakitaan na kung saan talagang magkakaroon kayo ng komportableng pamumuhay. And for relationship naman, I think meron kang ipupursue na romantic connection na talagang mas pahahalagahan mo. Like, pahahalagahan mo yung relationship na yun because this person is maaring for you, kailangan mo tong taong to or na-appreciate mo yung efforts ng tao na to sa'yo. Okay, tinan pa natin. Final message for Gemini. Okay. Leader of the light. Where are you being called to serve and support others? Oh. Okay, this makes sense kasi itong sixth house is service to others. So, maaring meron kang pagsiservisyo sa iba. This can be, kumbaga ang career path mo ay nasa service, no? Services. Leader of the light. So, some of you, maaring you are going through a spiritual awakening or meron kang i-explore about your spirituality, your belief system, na maaring ikaw yung parang anchor, no? Na kung saan you will also help others. Kumbaga, meron kang certain influence sa kanila, ma-influensya ka sa kanila na kung saan matutulungan mo sila sa mga landas na gusto nilang tahakin. Parang teacher energy, mentor energy, ganyan. Oo. So, yeah, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.